Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, it's your chef here again. As you know that Ramadan is starting in a couple of days, so I bring a special Ramadan recipe today. Yeah, mashed potato roll with stuff with chicken and cheese. It will be a bit is a spicy chicken and it with the cheese. So before I start, I'm gonna tell you my ingredient or what I'm gonna use, and if you miss, you can go back and I follow a video again for ingredients. Okay guys, I'm gonna start now. I'm using for that is I got some potato here, so which I'm gonna boil this. I got salt, got cumin powder, I got green chili paste, I got black pepper, I got red chili, I got breadcrumbs, I got cheese here, I got onion, I got some egg, I got some butter here, I got fresh coriander, and I got there's some mince here. It's the chicken mince. So shall we start now? Okay guys, I put the potato for boiling. So while I'm gonna move this on other bowl. Okay guys, here I'm gonna start making mince. I'm gonna put little bit butter in there. I'm using a little bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna fry it. First I'm gonna fry onion. I'm gonna fry this until it get a bit softer, this onion, and I'm gonna add mince in there. Alright, okay guys. Okay guys, I just fried this onion for 1 minute. Now I'm gonna put chicken in there. And before I put spices in there, I'm gonna fry mince with onion. You can see it's a bit dry, so it's supposed to be like this. Now I'm gonna start putting my spices in there. First thing, I put salt in there. I got 1.5 spoon salt. This small spoon is my teaspoon. Black pepper, two spoon black pepper. Again, this is small teaspoon. 1 spoon cumin powder, just I'm using a 1/4 spoon of chili because it's hot chili, so and I use 1.5 spoon. It's a green paste, green chili paste. And now I'm just gonna cook until mince it get cooked properly. Okay guys, this mince is ready. I'm just waiting for potato to get ready and get boiled. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off. Okay guys, boiled potatoes. Yeah. So I'm just gonna peel this. Before I put for boil, I made a cross, so it will peel easily. Okay guys, I just need to smash this, and then I'm gonna put some ingredients in there. Okay guys, mashed potatoes. Right. Now I'm gonna put some butter in there. I'm gonna put some salt. I'm putting about 2 spoons. Okay guys, some black pepper on there, about 2 spoons. Some cumin powder, 1.5 spoons. I'm gonna put some green chili paste. So this is no hot one, it's a mild. I'm gonna put some cheese on there. Okay, I'm gonna mash with my hand. I'm gonna mix it all. Put some fresh coriander in. It's already a very nice smell. Okay guys, my mash is ready, my mince is ready, everything. So now I've just got to make a roll. I'm just gonna compress this potato. Okay, now I'm gonna put beans in there. Put some cheese. I'm just gonna close this. Guys, I'm gonna just roll this in egg, and then just gonna roll in the breadcrumb. I'm gonna make it same all this. Okay guys, this is a mashed potato roll with the stuff with the chicken and the cheese. So now I'm gonna fry this in the oil. Okay guys. Okay guys, this oil is ready. I'm just doing I'm just shallow frying it. And I'm gonna cook this until it's get brown all over. Okay guys, this is ready. I'm gonna take this out. Guys, this is all done now. So nice and brown. Now I'm gonna take it out in a dish. Okay guys, this is a mashed potato rolls with stuffing with the chicken and cheese. And what do you think about it? It's very delicious. You should try that and let me know in comment section what you think about it. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.